Question 1. You see a circular sign with a red border showing a car and a motorcycle. What does this sign mean? Answer: B. No motor vehicles. This sign means motor vehicles are not allowed. When a red circular sign shows both a car and a motorcycle, it tells drivers that all motor vehicles are prohibited from entering. Question 2. You are approaching a zebra crossing and a pedestrian is waiting to cross. What should you do? Answer: B. Stop and give way. You must slow down and stop so the pedestrian can cross safely. Drivers should always give priority to pedestrians at zebra crossings. Question 3. When can you use your horn between 11:30 p.m. and 7 a.m. in a residential area? Answer: A. To warn others of danger. At night, especially in residential areas, you should not use your horn unless it is necessary to alert someone to immediate danger. Question 4. A blue circular sign has a white arrow pointing straight ahead. What does it mean? Answer: A. Traffic must go straight ahead. Blue circular signs usually give instructions. A white arrow pointing upward means vehicles must continue straight ahead. Question 5. What happens to your braking distance when you are towing a trailer? Answer: C. It increases. A trailer adds extra weight to your vehicle, which means it will take longer to stop. You should leave a larger gap between your vehicle and the one in front. Question 6. At a pelican crossing, the light changes to flashing amber. What should you do? Answer: B. Continue only if the crossing is clear. A flashing amber light means you may move on, but only when there are no pedestrians still crossing. Question 7. You are behind a cyclist on a narrow road. How should you overtake? Answer: C. Slow down and leave plenty of space. Cyclists need extra room because they can be affected by road conditions or passing vehicles. Only overtake when it is safe and give them a wide gap. Question 8. What does a triangular sign showing children running warn you about? Answer: A. Children or a school nearby. Triangular signs warn of possible hazards. This sign tells you that children may be crossing or that there may be a school nearby, so you should drive carefully. Question 9. When joining a motorway from a slip road, what should you usually do? Answer: B. Match the speed of traffic and merge safely. Use the slip road to build up speed. Check your mirrors and blind spot, then join the motorway when there is a safe gap. Question 10. An emergency vehicle with flashing blue lights is behind you. What should you do? Answer: B. Pull over and stop when safe. Stay calm, check the road around you, and move aside safely to let the emergency vehicle pass.